Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is 7 chapter fractions. In our previous chapter, chapter number 6, the exercise 6.7 is reducted from your course. Okay, so exercise 6.7 will not come in your exams. Up to exercise 6.6 it will be come. Okay, so exercise 6.7 is reducted from your course. Okay, now here that the given here we are studying the fractions chapter. Okay, so what are the fraction? We write the fraction in the number as the in the fraction form, that number of a part selected, that will become in the our numerator, and the total number of equal parts of the whole, that will become in the denominator portion. करेक्ट है ना? तो हमारा न्यूमेटर यानी कि अपर साइड में कौन सी वैल्यू हम लिखते हैं, that is the number or the parts which we have selected part. Okay, and in the denominator, in the downside, we will write the total part or the whole number of the parts we will write in the downside, that will be at the denominator. Correct? So here we will write that the numerator divided by denominator. For example, if the banana is divided into 7 equal parts, then each part is equals to 1 by 7. We read it as 1/7. Okay, we name a fraction by first writing the numerator followed by the ordinal numbers of the denominator. For example, 6/8 is read as the 6/8 को हम कैसे रीड करते हैं, 6/8. How we read it? 6/8, that is 6/8. Okay, 2/9 is read as the 2/9. Okay, 2/9, 6/8, and so on. Okay, like here example is given to us. Shruti bought a pizza. श्रुति एक पिज़्ज़ा लेके आई है. She cut it into the 4 equal slices. उसने उस पिज़्ज़ा को 4 equal parts में डिवाइड कर दिया. Give one slice to her friend कीर्ति. उसने श्रुति ने क्या किया, जो उस पिज़्ज़ा के 4 पार्ट्स किए हैं उसमें से एक पार्ट लेके किसे दिया, अपनी फ्रेंड कृति को दिया. रिप्रेजेंट श्रुतिज एंड कृति शेयर ऑफ पिज़्ज़ा इन फ्रैक्शन. तो हमें ये बताना है कि कृति के पास अब कितना पोर्शन पिज़्ज़ा का है और श्रुति के पास कितना पोर्शन और फ्रैक्शन पार्ट पिज़्ज़ा श्रुति के पास है. सो हियर विल राइट द नंबर ऑफ स्लाइसेस पिज़्ज़ा ऑफ श्रुति हेड्स. तो श्रुति के पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीस कितने हो गए थे पिज़्ज़ा के, डेट विल बी 4 पीसेस. ओके, आउट ऑफ 4 श्रुति गेव 1 पीस टू दी Kriti. So Kriti will have 1 piece and the Shruti will have 3 piece. Okay, the total number of slices of pizza are 4. Now the Shruti share of pizza is, Shruti के पास कितना है, 3 slice है, means the selected part is 3. And how many the total number of parts? There are total number of parts are 4. So we will write in the denominator that the total number of parts. Okay, so as we knew that always we write the total number of parts into the denominator and the number of the selected part we will write into our numerator portion. Okay, so here we will write that 3/4. Here same as given that, and that the number of slice of the pizza Kriti had, that is 1 piece, out of 4 pieces of the pizza. So we will write 1/4. So Kirti's share of pizza is 1/4. Correct? Now we solving here exercise 7.1. Okay. Now write W for the whole and F for the fraction in the boxes. Okay. Is this is an whole part? No, this is an fraction part. Okay, is this is a whole part? Yes, this is a whole part. Is this is a whole part? Yes, this is a whole part. Okay, is this is a whole part? No, this is a fraction part, क्योंकि हाफ कर दिया हमने एप्पल को कट करके. This cake is full, so it is a whole part. W means whole part. W means whole part, complete part, जिसमें से कुछ भी फ्रैक्शन पार्ट नहीं निकाला गया है. F means फ्रैक्शन पार्ट, उसमें से कुछ पोर्शन हमने निकाल लिया है, उसे हम कहते हैं फ्रैक्शन. लाइक हियर दिस इज एन कंप्लीट टॉफी, बट हियर वी हैव रिमूव्ड 1 पीस ऑफ दिस टॉफी, सो इट इज एन फ्रैक्शन पार्ट. रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस इन द नंबर्स. 1/3. How we write this 1/3? 1/3 means 1 divided by 3. 1/3 means 1. This is a line we will make that indicate to the dividation line. Divide by 3. 3/8 we will write 3 divided by 8. 5/9 we will write 5 divided by 9. 7/11 means we will write 7 divided by 11. Write the following fraction in the words. हमें words में लिखना है, तो how we will write 1/6. what we will write 1/6. 2/5 यानी 2/5. 7/10 we will write 7/10. 8/9 we will write 8/9. okay. Now here write the numerators and the denominator of the following fraction. The upper part is always be a numerator and the lower part is always be called as a denominator. Okay, so upper part is and always be numerator and the denominator, and the lower part is always be called as a denominator. So here the numerator value out of 3/5 is 3 is numerator and the lower part is denominator. Upper part is numerator, 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 lower part is denominator. Look at the figure and write the fraction represents by the shaded portions. Also write the numerator and denominator of the fractions. यहाँ कितने टोटल पार्ट्स है? फर्स्ट वी नीड टू काउंट इट आउट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स. हाउ मच टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स आर देयर? 1 2 3. राइट इट डाउन. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. सो हमने क्या देखा था? टोटल पार्ट्स हमेशा हम कहाँ लिखते हैं? डिनोमिनेटर में लिखते हैं. टोटल पार्ट हमेशा कहाँ लिखते हैं? नीचे की तरफ डिनोमिनेटर में लिखते हैं. करेक्ट. नंबर ऑफ पार्ट इज सेलेक्टेड, दैट इज 1 2 3. सो यू राइट इट हियर 3. So here the numerator value is 3 and the denominator value is 8. Similarly here we having total number of parts is 1 2 3 4. We will write the total number of parts at the denominator, that is 4, and the number of parts is selected, that is 1. So we will write it here. Numerator will be 1 and the denominator will be 4. Here the total number of parts are 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will write it here 6 and the number of part is selected, that is 3. So numerator is 3 and the denominator is 6. Here total number of parts are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we will write here denominator 10 and the number of part is selected 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will write it here 6. So numerator is 6 and denominator is 10. So the remaining are your homework. Okay, do it. Thank you.